How to add black screen on iMovie. If you want to add a black screen in your movie project, then follow these instructions. Whether it's for dramatic effect or pause or a transition, I'll show you how in just few easy steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded iMovie on your iPhone. After that, open search bar and open iMovie app. Now click on this movie object to start editing your video. After that, you can see this pause icon on your screen. Click on it. Now click on this background option. Scroll until you see black option. Click on it. Drag the black background in your timeline. Place it wherever you want the black screen to appear. You can adjust the duration by dragging the edge of the clip to make it shorter or longer. And that's it. This is how you add black screen on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.